Today's topic is informal organization. Informal. Define informal organization. Keith Davis, Keith Davis, defines informal organization is a network of personal and social relations, not established or required by the formal organization, but arising spontaneously as people associate with one another. Informal organization is a network of personal and social relations, not required by the formal organization. It's arising spontaneously as people associate with one another. This definition gives you all the answer for you. Yes, interaction among people at work gives rise to a network of social relationships among employees called informal organization. Informal organization emerges from within the formal when people interact with each other beyond their officially defined roles. When people have frequent contacts, they cannot be forced into a rigid formal structure. Based on their interaction and friendship, they tend to form groups which show conformity in terms of interest. Examples such groups formed with a common interest may be those who take part in cricket matches on Sundays or any other days or evenings, meet in the cafeteria for coffee. Those who are interested in dramatics, etc. Informal organization has no written rules. It's fluid in form and scope and does not have fixed lines of communication. Informal organization can be better understood with the following features. An informal organization originates or arising from within the formal organization as a result of personal interaction among employees. Secondly, the standards of behavior evolve from group norms rather than officially laid down rules and regulations. We already understood no written rules are there. Independent channels of communication without specific direction or flow of information are developed by group members. It emerges spontaneously and is not deliberately created by the management. And it has no definite structure or form because it's a complex network of social relationships. What are the advantages of informal organization and disadvantages or limitations? Please make column-wise analysis, then it becomes easier to learn. The informal organization offers many benefits. First of all, prescribed lines of communication are not followed. The informal organization leads to faster spread of information. As the prescribed lines of communication not there, it leads to faster spread of information as well as quick feedback. Secondly, it helps to fulfill the social needs of the members and allows them to find like-minded people. This enhances their job satisfaction since it gives them a sense of belongingness in the organization. It contributes towards fulfillment of organization objectives by compensating for inadequacies in the formal organization. For example, employees' reaction towards plans and policies can be tested through the informal network. Yes, what are the disadvantages or limitations? The informal organization has certain disadvantages. They are sometimes it may be against the interest of the formal organization. Sometimes against the interest of the formal organization. Secondly, we can see that management may not be successful in implementing changes if the informal organization opposes them. Such resistance to change may delay or restrict growth. Resistance to change. Thirdly, it pressurizes members to conform to group expectations. Conform to group expectations. This can be harmful to the organization if the norms set by the group are against organized interest. Informal organization cannot be altogether eliminated. Thus, it would be in the best interest of the organization if the existence of such groups is recognized and the roles that their members play are identified. The knowledge of such groups can be used to gather their support and consequently lead to improved organizational performance. Such groups can also provide useful communication channels. Instead of confronting them, the management should skillfully take advantage of both the formal and informal organization so that work continues smoothly. So today's assignment is what is informal organization? define and advantages and disadvantages. My dear children, see the comparative analysis of page number 128 textbook. Page number 128. Make a comparative analysis of formal and informal organization. After learning these points and writing these value points in the notebook, make a comparative analysis from the textbook and read and write in the notebook also. Thank you. Take care.